how to write table of contents when you are writing any research paper. So many times when we write thesis or when we write research paper, see here, this type of contents we need to write, like, okay, definition. Under history we have these three. Then forms and styles, we have cause and effect, and all these classification under form and styles. Fourth, academic, there are no subheadings. Fifth, magazine. Sixth, employment. Seventh, again we have four. So how to write this table of contents when you write your research paper? For example, let me just walk through Microsoft Word. So here we have Microsoft Word. Let me randomly type some headings. I have typed four headings. Again, under biology, let us go to plants. Plants under biology, let us say. Then stems. Okay, again under science we go geography. Then we go physics. Then we go again under physics. We will talk about gravitation. And in English we have subheading skills, job. Then again under maths we have theorem. Then we have instruments. Okay, so these are the headings and subheadings. Under biology you might have written blah 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 blah. And under plants again you have written blah 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 blah, then blah blah blah. So when you write in this way, what happens is by now we have to make sure we have to do give like this, like say like this, 1 2, then again under history these subheadings like that. How to do that? First, you have to bring here shortcuts beside this to know what is happening and to edit. First, go to view, home, insert, design, layout, references, mailings, review, view button. Under view you have here navigation pane. Okay, let us keep this here. Again you go to home, come to styles, then here right bottom corner click it, the styles tab gets open. Keep this side by side. So what happens when you keep side by side is you know what is happening. Navigation will show you like this, like these things. It will show all these things, navigation. Okay. So you have to first select biology. What biology is like, for example, um, heading 1. Okay, here we have heading 1. Yeah, that's it. Then this one is matter, you don't disturb that. Under biology you have plants, that you have to go for heading 2. Again some information about plants, blah blah blah. Then again under biology we have another stems, also takes to heading 2. heading 2. Then we have science, heading 1, and in science we have geography as subheading that goes to heading 2. Physics, again we have heading 2. Under physics, if you want, again physics is already heading 2. If you want under physics something as a subheading, you have to go extreme heading 3 again. So you can see at the same time what is happening here. You are selecting headings. Under biology navigation pane you have plants, stems. Under science you have geography, physics. Again under physics you have gravitation. So check it here if any mistake is there in navigation, because without navigation you will forget what is happening here. Then again English, go for heading 1. Under English you have heading 2 skills. Then job, heading 2 again. Then max, heading 1. Heading 1 max. Under max we have again 2. They will take again heading 2. Instruments, heading 2. Heading 2. Okay. Now you can see here in navigation pane, this is what. So this both work is over. Close navigation, close styles. Now this is the stuff you want to create for all this information. Maybe this all information you might have written some 10 pages, 15 or 30 pages. You write, put cursor somewhere here for table of contents. Okay, there I am keeping. To write table of contents. To insert table of contents, you have to go to preferences. This is the fifth. This is the 2019 version Microsoft Word. Okay, even in old versions you have same, almost the same. Go to references, and under references you have left side table of contents is there. Come down to custom table of contents, then go to options, uncheck styles, click OK. Make sure show page numbers, right align page numbers are checked in. Make sure levels to be 9. Click OK. Now see the magic. So you have nicely, you got biology. It is on page number 1 because we have just taken everything on page number 1. Otherwise, if this information exceeds page numbers, will automatically pull up. It will pull up. The biology we have plants, science we have geography, physics. Now, how to give these numbers 3, 3.1, 3.2. Again, come back, select this like this manually, and go to. I have kept here shortcut, but I will show where is it. Go to home button and come to multi-level list here. Multi-level list. Select here you have so many options in the library. Here select third one. Boom. Magic is done. So this is how we have to the process of creating table of contents or inserting table of contents. Thank you so much.